So yesterday we started with decision tree, and so there we have to decide which attribute to be placed at one particular node in the decision tree. So for that we have a metric called information gain. So the formula of information gain is, and it is represented by this gain s comma a, where a is our attribute and s is a set of examples, training examples. So formula is entropy of s minus summation v belongs to values of a. So these values of a will be a set of possible values for attribute a. So we have seen a temperature attribute where the possible values were mild, cool and hot, right? So we will take values, each value from that set, and then so we have to find out a subset of this set a, yes, where v equals to that particular value. Okay, so we have to find a subset for each value. Okay, then this fraction represents a proportion of that samples, then entropy of that subset. This was our formula, right, of information gain, where entropy is defined as, entropy of S is defined as summation I equals to 1 to C minus Pi log base 2 Pi. So this is a generalized equation for entropy where we have C classes, okay, and for binary classification, so when you have for binary classification, okay, entropy is given by, so C की वैल्यू 2 हो जाएगी, entropy of S would be minus P positive log base 2 P positive minus P negative log base 2 P negative. What is this P positive? It is a proportion of positive example, proportion. So total sample में से positive कितने हैं? So it is a number of positive example divided by total examples. Okay, and then log base 2 P positive minus P negative log base 2 P negative. Okay, so we have these formulas. Then we'll just talk about entropy value. Okay, how it is going to change. So for that I am taking an example. Okay, consider we have 8 training examples, and we will be considering different cases. Okay, now case 1, and we have decided to use one notation. So that notation is, so let me write here, that notation is number of positive example, number of negative examples, right? So we can summarize our training example in the form of this notation. Okay, so if my set, so consider this is my set of 8 training examples and it has, let's say, 6 positive examples and 2 negative examples. So this set I can represent by 6 positive, 2 negative. Okay, so this is the notation that we are going to use. Okay, now case 1 is, consider we have 8 positive and 0 negative. Okay, so we have a totally imbalanced data. So we have all positive example, no negative example. In that case, what will be the value of entropy? So entropy, so instead of saying yes, I will say, I will denote that S with this notation. Okay, then put the values. So we have a binary classification problem, positive and negative. So I have to use this one, right? This formula. So minus proportion of positive example. Okay, so total population is 8. Out of that all are positive. So 8 by 8 log base 2 8 by 8, right? Minus proportion of negative example, that is 0 by 8 log base 2 0 by 8. Okay, now so here 8 will cancel out, so it is 1. So log of 1 is 0, right? So 0 plus 0 into anything is 0. Okay, so that means the result is 0. So now first conclusion that we will draw is, if you have entirely imbalanced data, okay, so all the examples belong to one class, then entropy will be 0. Now case 2 is when you have perfectly balanced data. Okay, 4 positive example, 4 negative examples. In that case, what will happen? Entropy of 4 plus 4 negative side would be, okay, then proportion of positive examples. So 4 by 8 log base 2 4 by 8 minus, okay, negative example, that is 4 by 8 log base 2 4 by 8. Now if you simplify, okay, both the terms are same, right? So minus 2 into 4 by 8 log base 2, so they will cancel out, so 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 raised to power minus 1. Okay, 2. Now this is 8 by 8, they will cancel out, so minus log base 2 2 raised to power minus 1. Okay, we know the log property, this minus 1 will come out, right? So minus minus will become plus, then it will become this one, right? And this is nothing but again a log property, right? And which is 1, right? So when you have perfectly balanced data, for that your training example should be a even number. Okay, then you may have a perfectly balanced data, then in that case your entropy value is 1. Okay, so now, so what is the conclusion number 2? When you have balanced data, entropy value is 1. Then observation number 3, your entropy value is varying from 0 to 1. Okay, so the least value that we can have is 0 and the highest value is 1. Then fourth observation is, what this entropy is indicating. What about the purity of data? So when you have all the example belonging to one class, then you can say that that set is pure, right? So pure class, pure examples will have 0 entropy. Okay, and when you have perfectly mixed data, the entropy value is 1. So observation 4 would be, entropy is a measure of impurity. Okay, entropy means impurity. जितना entropy की value ज़्यादा रहेगी, उतना वो data set impure रहेगा. Did you get the 4 observation? Okay, so let me list out here. Okay, so observation 1, so entropy of 8 plus 0 negative is 0, right? So from this statement you can draw a conclusion. Okay, so जो perfectly imbalanced data रहेगा उसका entropy 0 है. Observation 2 is entropy of 4 plus 4 minus will be 1. Observation 3, entropy lies in the range okay, square bracket represents, it can take these values 0 and 1. Okay, so round bracket indicates excluding that values. Okay, so it can take 0 and 1. Then observation 4 is entropy is a measure of impurity in the training examples. Okay, it indicates impurity. So if entropy is high, impurity will be more. Okay, so we have drawn this observation. So if I try to plot okay, so I will be plotting entropy of my set yes along the y-axis, and as we know it will vary from, so this is 0.5 and 1. Okay, it will vary from 0 to 1, and here I will plot a proportion of positive example, and no need to explain this equation. Okay, I leave the interpretation of this equation to you. Proportion of negative example equals to 1 minus proportion of positive examples, right? Okay, so now the proportion is a fraction, right? The total number of examples belonging to that class divided by total number of elements. Okay, so it will vary from 0 to 1. Okay, so now when you have equal split, the proportion of positive examples would be 4 divided by total samples, that is 4 plus 4, that is 8, so 0.5, right? So this value indicates a equal split, right? And this 0 or 1 indicates a imbalanced data, right? So for 0.5 proportion, the entropy score is 1, and for others it is 0. Okay, so we have this point and these 2 points. Okay, and if you plot for all possible values of p plus, you will get a parabola, inverted parabola. Okay, and this is known as entropy graph. Entropy graph. Okay, so this is how the entropy value changes. Okay, so it will be 0, entropy will be 0 for perfectly imbalanced data. Okay, so now with this much knowledge, so we'll try to solve our yesterday's problem. We'll continue with that and we'll complete the decision tree today. Okay, so now the problem is, so the problem is the target function is to find play tennis function. Okay, so whether to play or not based on the conditions of the environment, right? So we have total 14 samples, and we know that the positive examples are 9, negative examples are 5. Okay, so we will solve this problem. Play tennis problem. It is asked in many exams. Okay, there is another problem which is very famous, that is sunburn dataset problem. Okay, that we will solve later on. So here a set can be represented by this notation, right? So there are total 14 samples, 9 are positive, 5 are negative. Now to find the root node of the decision tree. Okay, in order to find the root node of a decision tree, what we have to do? Find information gain of. Now how many attributes are there? So for this example we have 4 attributes: outlook, temperature, humidity and wind. We have to find information gain of these 4 attributes. So we'll find information gain of, first one is outlook, next is temperature, humidity, and next is wind. Okay, so let us start with first one, that is outlook. So the formula will become gain of S when the attribute is outlook. ए की वैल्यू आउटलुक हो जाएगी, राइट? ओके, देन वी नो दैट formula is, the gain formula is entropy of S minus summation V belongs to values of A की वैल्यू है आउटलुक, ओके, और एस वी डिवाइड बाय एस एंट्रोपी ऑफ एस वी. Okay, so let us solve this for outlook. So entropy of S, so replace S with this notation. So entropy of 9 plus 5 negative. Okay, then minus values for outlook. So values for outlooks are sunny, overcast and rain. 3 values are there, so we'll find the entropy score for each of them. Okay, but we'll do it here itself. Okay, so bigger bracket, then summation for all these 3 values. Okay, then this vertical line means a cardinality of that set. Okay, so you have to find out first value is the sunny value. Okay, so how many sunny instances are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, out of 14, 5 are sunny. Okay, so the cardinality of S sunny will become 5, then cardinality of the entire set, that is 14. Okay, then entropy of S sunny, okay, plus the next value of outlook is overcast. And how many overcast instances are there? 1 2 3 4 instances. So 4 by 14 entropy of S overcast plus next value for outlook is rain. So obviously 5 and 4 are gone, so remaining 5 will be rainy. So 14 entropy of S rain. Okay, so now we can find out the entropy values here itself. Okay, so now 9 plus 5 minus. Okay, so we know the formula, right? It is a proportion of positive examples. So out of 14, 9 are positive. 9 divided by 14 log base 2 9 divided by 14 minus, okay, 5 divided by 14 log base 2 5 divided by 14. So this is this part, right? Minus 5 divided by 14 entropy of, okay, now I want to find this notation for S sunny set. Okay, ये जो notation value है 9 plus 5 minus, ये हमें find out करना पड़ेगा for sunny. Okay, so for 5 instances, how many are positive and how many are negative? सनी के 5 instances है, उसमें से कितने पॉजिटिव है कितने नेगेटिव है. सो सनी पहला पेयर है सनी नो, नेक्स्ट इज सनी नो, देन नेक्स्ट इज सनी यस एंड सनी यस. ओके, सो क्या है 3 नेगेटिव 2 पॉजिटिव. ओके, सनी का स्प्लिटअप ये है, ठीक है. सो 2 positive 3 negative. Okay, when we have data in this form, then we can easily apply the entropy formula, right? That's why I am finding this notation. Then similarly for overcast, entropy or set. So overcast के 4 examples है, overcast और उसके values क्या है? yes and yes. Okay, all are positive. 4 are positive, 0 are negative. Okay, then last one is 5 divided by 14 entropy of S rain. Okay, rain के कितने examples है? 5 है और उसमें से कितने positive कितने negative है? So yes, no, yes, no. Okay, so 3 are yes and 2 are no. So 3 positive, 2 negative. Okay, so let us solve this. Okay, so okay, so first value is 9 by 14. Okay, so minus 9 multiplied by log base is 2, then 9 divided by 14 and whole thing divided by 14. Okay, see, minus 9 log base 2 9 by 14 whole thing divided by 14. Okay, so result is 0. Okay, so I will round off to 2 decimal places, 0.41. So 0.41. Okay, then next thing is minus 5 into this one, minus 5 into log base 2 divided by 5 divided by 14 and whole thing divided by 14. Okay, so result is 0.53 plus 0.53. Okay, ये हो गया पहला ब्रैकेट. ओके, माइनस 5 बाय 14. ओके, इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. एंट्रोपी 2 प्लस 3 माइनस. ओके, सो राउंड ब्रैकेट. ओके, सो वी नो द फॉर्मूला माइनस proportion of positive examples, that is 2 by 5 log base 2 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 log base 2 3 by 5. Okay, and round bracket complete plus. So here we have perfectly imbalanced data, so we have 0 here, so 4 divided by 14 into 0 plus, okay, 5 divided by 14 here also, minus 3 by 5 log base 2 3 by 5 minus proportion of negative example, that is 2 by 5 log base 2 2 by 5. Okay, and that completes our bigger bracket. Now the summation of this would be 3 plus 1, that is 4, and 9 0.4. Okay, then minus 5 by 14. So let us solve this. So we have minus 2 into log base 2 divided by 2 divided by 5 whole thing divided by 5. Okay, so that value is 0.52. Sorry, answer was 0.53. Let us round off 0.53. Okay, minus 3 into log base 2 or 3 divided by 5 and whole thing divided by 5. Okay, so 0.44. Okay, plus this value is 0 plus 5 divided by. Now see here, the terms are interchanged. Okay, samples are what? 2 plus 3 minus, right? And here 3 plus 2 minus. So if you see the plot of entropy, it is symmetric, right? Okay, symmetric about these two axes, and because of that the value of this bracket and this bracket will remain same. Okay, तो ये वैल्यू हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट की है, माइनस 3 बाय 5 है ना, विच इज़ 0.44 प्लस माइनस 2 बाय 5 की वैल्यू भी ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट की है, दैट इज 0.53 राइट. ओके, सो तो इसको डायरेक्टली हम ट्वाइस कर सकते हैं, राइट. सो हम क्या करेंगे, ट्वाइस करेंगे, दैट इज 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रैकेट 0.53 plus 0.44 bracket complete divided by 14. Okay, so this is 0.94 minus 0.69. Okay, so 0.94 minus 0.69, the result is 0.25. Okay, so gain value of outlook, the gain value of outlook is 0.29. Okay, now few terms will be repeated, so no need to calculate over and over, because for example the entropy of this bracket will remain same for all the attributes. okay, it would be 0.94, and some instances will also repeat. Okay, so we have the values for some of the set now, so it will be easier now. Okay, so let us continue the second parameter. So do you have any doubt till now? What means we have to just put the values. If you know the meaning of every variable, then you can easily find out its value. So P positive क्या है? Proportion of positive examples. Okay, proportion. So total examples में कितने positive examples है? Okay, so do you have any doubt? Shall I repeat anything?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll continue for the next attribute. Anyone else? Do you have any doubt? The next attribute is temperature. Okay, so entropy of S minus V belongs to values of temperature. So temperature के values है. I will write the values here: hot, mild, and cool. Yes. Okay. Then SV upon S, entropy of SV. Okay. Now we know the value of entropy S, that is 0.94 minus bigger bracket. So then we will calculate a cardinality of SV set when V की value hot है. Okay. So hot वाले instances कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 by 14, total samples 14 है. Entropy of SV का notation find out कर लेते हैं. So in this 4 samples, how many are positive and how many are negative? So no, yes and yes. Okay, so perfectly balanced data है. 2 positive, 2 negative. Okay, so 4 sample में 2 positive, 2 negative. So entropy की value रहेगी, क्या रहेगी बताइए? परफेक्टली बैलेंस डेटा है, सो एंट्रोपी की वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? 1 रहेगी. वेरी गुड. यस. सो माइल्ड का कार्डिनलिटी कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके, माइल्ड है 6 डिवाइड बाय 14. एंट्रोपी ब्रैकेट फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. 6 सैम्पल्स में कैसा स्प्लिट अप है? सो yes, no, yes, and no. Okay, 2 are no, I think 2 are no, and rest are positive. So 4 plus 2 negative. Okay, plus cool. So 4 and 6 चले गए, so 4 रहेंगे cool samples. उसका स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. cool में कितना है? yes, no, yes. Okay, so 3 positive plus 1 negative. Okay, so let us continue. 0.94 minus 4 divided by 14. I can directly write 1 here plus 6 by 14. Okay, इसका फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. So minus proportion of positive example, that is 4 divided by 6 log base 2, 4 divided by 6 minus 2 by 6 log base 2, 2 by 6 plus 4 by 14. ये वाला पॉजिटिव एग्जाम्पल का प्रोपोर्शन 3 by 4 माइनस log base 2, 3 by 4 माइनस नेगेटिव एग्जाम्पल का प्रोपोर्शन 1 by 4 log base 2, 1 by 4 और स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. ठीक है. सो लेट अस quickly find out these values. 9 minus, okay, first value is 4 divided by 14, 0.2886. okay, round off कर लेते हैं. then plus 6 by 14. so let us find out these values. Okay, minus 4 multiply by log base 2 4 divided by 6 and whole thing divided by 6. 0.39 plus, okay, same thing for 2, यहाँ पे 2 प्लेस करना है सिर्फ. 0.53 प्लस 4 by 14 ये वैल्यू, ओके. सो -3 multiply by log base 2. Okay, so these problems are the test of your patience. ठीक है, many calculations are involved. Okay, so this is like a test of your patience. Okay, then 3 को रिप्लेस करना है 1 से. Zero point five. Okay, so now just find out the final value. Okay, so 0.94 minus 0.286 minus ये माइनस ये माइनस हो जाएगा, राइट. 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रैकेट 0.39 प्लस 0.53 ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट डिवाइड बाय 14 और फिर माइनस हो जाएगा 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ब्रैकेट 0.31 प्लस 0.5 ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट डिवाइड बाय 14. ओके, सो फाइनल रिजल्ट इज 0.028. ओके, वैसे ही गेन एस कॉमा, then third attribute is humidity. So entropy of S minus summation V belongs to humidity की 2 values है, high and normal. Okay, so set of high and normal SV divided by S, entropy of SV set. Okay, now we know the value of entropy of entire set, that is 0.94 minus. Okay, now so high, so how high के कितने instances है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so equal split up है. Yes, equal split up है. Okay, so 7 divided by 14 entropy ऑफ, अब ये 7 में कितने पॉजिटिव कितने नेगेटिव आपने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट फाइंड आउट करना है. सो व्हेन ह्यूमिडिटी इज हाई, सो यस वाले काउंट करते हैं 1 2 3. ओके, सो 3 आर पॉजिटिव एंड 4 आर नेगेटिव. ओके, प्लस 7 by 14, नॉर्मल वाले भी 7 रहेंगे. एंट्रोपी, ओके, सो नॉर्मल में कैसे स्प्लिट अप है? यस, 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, सो 6 प्लस 1 नेगेटिव. ओके, let us find out this values. 0.94 minus, I can take 7 by 14 कॉमन, 7 by 14 कॉमन लेते हैं और एंट्रोपी की स्कोर. सो the fraction of positive example is 3 by 7 log base 2 3 by 7 minus 4 by 7 log base 2 4 by 7 plus यहाँ पे minus 6 by 7 log base 2 6 by 7 minus 1 by 7 log base 2 1 by 7. Okay, now if you simplify this, so the value that you will get is humidity 0.151. Okay, now similarly you have to calculate, this is page number 3. Okay, next The fourth one is gain of S when the attribute is, the last one is wind. Okay, so entropy of entire set minus summation V belongs to the values in wind. So in wind we have two values, weak and strong. Okay, so weak and strong. Okay, now summation over this SV divided by S entropy of SV. Okay, we know the value of entropy of entire set, that is 0.94 minus, okay, bigger square bracket, okay, the cardinality when wind is weak. Okay, weak के कितने samples हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 divided by 14 एंट्रोपी ऑफ, उसका स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट नोटेशन फाइंड आउट करेंगे 6/14, स्ट्रॉन्ग के रिमेनिंग रहेंगे 6 बाय, और उसका स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके, सो वीक में क्या स्प्लिट अप है? सो उसके यस काउंट करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, सो 6 आर पॉजिटिव एंड 2 आर नेगेटिव. ओके, 6 + 2 नेगेटिव का हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट कर लिया है. नहीं, 6 प्लस और 1 माइनस था. ओके, सो हमें फिर से फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड वीक, हाँ, स्ट्रॉन्ग के कितना स्प्लिट अप है? स्ट्रॉन्ग नो 1 2 3. ओके, सो 3 पॉजिटिव 3 नेगेटिव. ओके, सो परफेक्टली बैलेंस है तो उसका वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगा डायरेक्टली, राइट? और 3, ओके, यस. सो 0.94 8/14. ओके, सो इसका फाइंड आउट करना है एंट्रोपीज को, दैट इज माइनस पॉजिटिव का प्रोपोर्शन, दैट इज 6/8 log base 2 6/8 माइनस 2/8 log base 2 2/8 प्लस 6/14 इंटू, ये परफेक्टली बैलेंस है, सो वी कैन डायरेक्टली राइट 1. द फाइनल आंसर दैट यू विल गेट फॉर दिस इज, विंड का स्कोर है 0.048. Okay, so now let us summarize. Okay, so we have got the same results. So for outlook 0.246, humidity 0.151, okay, wind 0.048 and temperature 0.029. Okay, so highest gain is for outlook, so we have to place outlook at the root node. Okay, so we'll be placing outlook at the root place. Okay, so as outlook attribute has the highest gain value, it will be placed at root node, and the partial decision tree looks like. So we are placing outlook at the root node with 9 plus and 5 minus samples. Okay, we started with this split, right? 9 plus and 5 minus. Okay, now there are 3 values possible for outlook. The first one being a sunny, second one is overcast, and last one is rain. Okay, now sunny का count था 5 went here, 4 went here and 5 went here. Out of 14 samples, this branch possesses 4 examples, 5, 4 and 5. Okay, now here sunny का split up क्या था? पेज नंबर 2, यस। सनी का स्प्लिट यहाँ पे है, ओके। सनी का 2 + 3 माइनस, ओके। सो ये 5 2 + 3 माइनस है। ओवरकास्ट का क्या स्प्लिट था? 4 + 0 माइनस, ओके। सो 4 + 0 माइनस। और रेन का स्प्लिट था 3 + 2 माइनस, 3 + 2 माइनस, राइट। सो ये 3 + 2 माइनस है, okay. So here, as we can see, all the samples belong to positive class, so we can predict a value here, and this branch will terminate here itself, okay. So if samples comes in this branch, we can predict this value as yes, okay. But now we have to decide which attribute to be placed at these locations, okay. So now procedure, we have to repeat the procedure for these two childs now, okay. So we'll continue, okay. When outlook equals to Sunny, okay, that is my left branch. When outlook equals to Sunny, then the reduced data set is, okay. When outlook equals to Sunny, my reduced data set looks like this. So next attribute is temperature, humidity and wind, and my concept is play tennis, okay. Now we have total 5 samples, उसका split है ये, right. सो ये वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए, ओके। व्हेन आउटलुक इक्वल्स टू सनी, तो सनी जब है तो टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी, विंड और प्ले टेनिस का वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट कीजिए। हॉट, हाई, वीक, नो। हॉट, हाई, वीक, नो। नेक्स्ट टपल है हॉट, हाई, स्ट्रॉन्ग, नो। हॉट, हाई, स्ट्रॉन्ग, नो। नेक्स्ट है सनी, कहाँ है सनी? सनी, माइल्ड, हाई, वीक, नो। माइल्ड, हाई, वीक, नो। नेक्स्ट कूल, नॉर्मल, वीक, यस। कूल, नॉर्मल, वीक, यस, वीक, यस। और लास्ट है माइल्ड, नॉर्मल, स्ट्रॉन्ग, यस। माइल्ड, नॉर्मल, स्ट्रॉन्ग, यस, ओके। सो 2 पॉजिटिव 3 निगेटिव, ओके। ये अपना रिड्यूस डेटा सेट है, ओके। दिस इज टू डिसाइड द लेफ्ट node now, okay. So here we have to find gain of, फिर से हमें gain find out करना पड़ेगा for this table now, okay. For temperature, humidity and for wind, okay. So start with the temperature now. So gain of, let's say this is my S1 now, okay. Don't call this set as S, okay. This is S1. S1 attribute is temperature. Then entropy of my S1 set minus summation V belongs to values for temperature. For temperature, here we have hot, mild, cool and mild. Hot, mild and cool, okay. So hot, mild and cool, okay. SV, S1, entropy of SV. So entropy of S1 में क्या स्प्लिट अप है? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट क्या है इसका? 2 + 3 माइनस, इसकी वैल्यू हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट कर ली है, ओके। माइनस, ओके, यहाँ पे 3 वैल्यूज है। ओके, तो हॉट का ये क्या है कार्डिनलिटी 2 बाय टोटल सैंपल्स आर 5। देन एंट्रोपी ऑफ ओके ये हॉट का स्प्लिट क्या है, दोनों हॉट नो है, सो 0 + 2 माइनस टोटली इम्बैलेंस डेटा है। ओके जितना सेट आपका छोटा होगा उसमें ये केसेस बढ़ते जाएंगे, ज़ीरो और परफेक्टली बैलेंस केसेस। माइल्ड कितने हैं 2, ये प्लस रहेगा। माइल्ड 2 है और इसका है नो यस। ओके सो एंट्रोपी ऑफ 1 + 1 माइनस 1 + 1 माइनस रहेगा। और कूल का सैंपल है 1, एक ही सैंपल है और वो पॉजिटिव है। ओके अगेन अ परफेक्टली इम्बैलेंस डेटा। ओके इसकी वैल्यू हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट कर ली है, 2 + 3 नेगेटिव। ये देखिए एंट्रोपी 2 + 3 नेगेटिव, सो इसकी वैल्यू है ये यहाँ पे आई थी 0.53 + 0.44। ओके ये वैल्यू है ना, सो 0.97 है। ओके सो ये एंट्रोपी की स्कोर है 0.97 माइनस 2/5। ओके ये रहेगा 0, ये है 1 और ये है 0। 0.97 माइनस 2/5 दैट इज 0.4। ओके सो इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कीजिए। सो 0.97 माइनस 0.4 0.57। Okay, similarly we will find out the value of gain of S1 when the attribute is humidity. Okay, and that will come out to be 0.97, and the last one gain of S1 when the attribute is wind is okay, so it is actually less than 0.97. Okay, I have not calculated the perfect answer for this. Okay, but here as you can see, for between these three values this is the highest, so humidity will be placed at the left node. Okay, so after this, okay, so attribute humidity has the highest gain value, so it will be placed at the left node. Okay, and my partial decision tree is, okay, we have placed outlook here, okay, sunny, overcast and rain। यहाँ पे हमने डिसाइड किया है कि वी आर गोइंग टू प्लेस ह्यूमिडिटी, यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली आउटपुट है यस। ओके यहाँ पे स्प्लिट अप है, द एट्रीब्यूट इज अननोन नाउ, 3 + 2 नेगेटिव यहाँ स्प्लिट अप है, यहाँ पे है 9 पॉजिटिव 5 नेगेटिव। ह्यूमिडिटी की वैल्यूज़ कितने हैं, 2 वैल्यूज़ आर देयर। ओके 2 वैल्यूज़। ओके सो यहाँ पे 2 वैल्यूज़ रहेंगे, हाई एंड नॉर्मल। ओके अगर हाई है तो इन दैट सबसेट सी इफ हाई इज देयर plate tennis is no. If normal is there, plate tennis is yes. Okay, so directly we can say if the humidity is normal, okay, plate tennis the output is yes. If the humidity is high, the value is no. Okay, so this branch terminates here. Okay, now we have to find this value. Okay, so to find the right child of the tree. Okay, now again we have to find the reduced set. Okay, because here the value is rain, right? Okay, so rain, the reduce data set when outlook equals to rain is, okay, so when outlook equals to rain, what is the reduced data set? Okay, so rain के 5 values है. Okay, so the reduced data set would be these values. Okay, so we'll have temperature, humidity, and then wind, and then plate tennis. Okay, so when, okay, first tuple will be mild, high, weak, yes, mild, high, weak, yes, mild, high, weak, yes, and you fill this table. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to find again the gain value for this value attributes. Now this would be my S2, this is S2 और इसका split है 3 plus 2 minus. Okay, so we are going to find gain of S2 for temperature, gain of S2 when attribute is humidity, ये अपना सेकंड रहेगा, और फिर से हमें फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा गेन ऑफ S2, the attribute is wind. Okay, now here we will observe that okay, wind की वैल्यू 0.97 रहेगी, इसकी 0.9 से लेस रहेगी. ओके, इसकी भी 0.97 से लेस रहेगी. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट विंड. ओके, सो और विंड अगर हम कंप्लीट करेंगे यहाँ पे विंड के वैल्यूज वीक, यस, और स्ट्रॉन्ग का वैल्यू है नो, वीक यस, और लास्ट है स्ट्रॉन्ग नो. ओके, सो विंड के 2 पैरामीटर्स है, वीक और स्ट्रॉन्ग. जब विंड वीक है तो प्लेट टेनिस यस है, और स्ट्रॉन्ग जब नो है, सॉरी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, विंड जब स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो रिजल्ट इज नो. ओके, सो आवर फाइनल डिसीजन ट्री इज आउटलुक, इसके 3 वैल्यूज सनी, ओवरकास्ट, रेन. यहाँ पे एट्रीब्यूट है ह्यूमिडिटी के 2 वैल्यूज, दैट इज हाई एंड नॉर्मल. ओके, यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली आउटपुट है यस. ओके, यहाँ पे हमने डिसाइड किया है वी आर गोइंग टू प्लेस विंड एज द एट्रीब्यूट. ओके, विंड के 2 पैरामीटर है, दैट इज वीक एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, जब वीक है तो यस है, और स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो नो है, राइट. ओके, जब वीक है तो यस है, राइट. जब ह्यूमिडिटी हाई है तो नो है, यहाँ पे नो, यहाँ पे यस. Okay, so all the attributes are over. We have the output values at each leaf node. So this is our final decision tree. Okay, so this is how you have to build a decision tree. Okay, did you get the concept that sun one is little bit shorter? Yes. Do you have any doubt? Screenshot I will be providing now. Okay, so we started with this example, right? So in the last class we have seen this decision tree. Exactly, we have got the exact decision tree. Okay, so now just start with the problem. Take a screenshot of this. Done? Okay, then next is we started with the observation, right? So first we talked about the entropy score. Okay, so entropy is a measure of impurity, right? If entropy score is more, that means your data set is impure. And what do you mean by impure data? So you will have mixed group of all the examples. Okay, so equal number of positive and negative examples will be there. Okay, done. And this 4 observation that we have drawn. So if you have data set in this form, then you can directly write the values of entropy. Okay, then next is, so we started with that problem. Our original set was containing 14 examples, 9 plus 5 negative. We have to find out gain value for each attribute. So gain for Outlook was 0.25. Then we calculated the gain for temperature, right? Temperature and humidity. Take a screenshot. Done. Next, the final attribute was wind. Okay, and here we concluded that the Outlook gain value is the highest, and we decided to place it at the root level. Okay, now this is the partial decision tree. Done. Then we have to decide about the left child and the right child. Okay, so but our data set will be reduced now. Okay, so when Outlook is sunny, okay, so that means you are going in a left branch. Now you have these samples. Okay, so this is our reduced data set, and we have to work on this data set, and we have labeled that data set as S1. Then we have calculated the gain score for remaining attribute, that is temperature, humidity, wind. Now in this branch the gain value of the humidity was the highest, that is 0.97. So humidity attribute will be tested as the left child. Okay, so this is our partial tree now. Outlook at the root node, humidity at the left child, and all the samples are perfectly classified. That's why it is terminated here. Then we have to decide the right child. Okay, for that the Outlook's value was rain, right? So we have to find the reduced data set. Okay, I have find out the incomplete data set here. So we'll be finding the reduced data set again, and finally on that data set, which we are calling as S2, we will be finding the gain score. For wind, the value is highest, okay, that is 0.97, and we have seen that all the examples are classified. Okay, so this will terminate our algorithm. Our final decision tree is this one. Okay, I hope everything is clear to you. I am recording this lecture. You can go through the recorded lecture. Okay, and you try to solve the problem which I will be posting in classroom, that is based on Sunburn data set. Okay, so please mark your attendance.